Clutch.co provisioning honest review. Watch before using. Most people think business service platforms are just directories, but you won't believe what happens next when Clutch.co actually starts influencing major business deals. Clutch.co is a business research and review platform that helps companies find verified service providers such as software developers, marketing agencies, IT consultants, and outsourcing partners. It is widely used by startups, small businesses, and even large enterprises. The surprising truth is that Clutch reviews can directly impact whether agencies win or lose contracts. Many companies rely heavily on Clutch rankings when selecting vendors. But most people get this wrong. They assume every listing is equal. In reality, Clutch profiles are optimized by agencies, and some providers actively invest in premium placements. That means you should read reviews carefully, not just look at rankings. Clutch verifies reviews through direct client interviews, which increases credibility compared to anonymous review sites. However, no system is perfect, and it is still smart to cross-check references. Clutch is best for businesses that want a starting point for finding professional service providers. The surprising truth is that informed choices start with trusted research. Subscribe for more honest business platform reviews that protect your company.